Divine decree of the golden rose codes, by the power of the eternal light, the sacred breath of Source, and the infinite wisdom of the Divine Sophia, I call forth the golden rose codes, the sacred frequencies of divine love, unity, and sovereign creation. In the name of the Christed light and the holy order of the rose, I decree that my heart be illuminated with the radiant flame of truth. Let the petals of divine remembrance unfold within me, restoring my being to its original blueprint of purity, harmony, and divine perfection. I command the dissolution of all veils of illusion, separation, and distortion. By the authority of my sovereign soul, I reclaim the sacred keys of creation, the codes of wisdom, beauty, and eternal life. May the golden light of the rose awaken within every cell, activating the divine song of love, the sacred geometry of ascension, and the luminous pathways of the new earth. I stand as a pillar of light, an embodiment of the sacred feminine and divine masculine in balance, a vessel for the flowering of divine truth upon this earth. So it is, so it is, so it is. It is done.